Just wanted to show you what it looks like on the computer screen for my first op. I actually had the parts ganged up in a batch of 4 because I just happened to have material that size, and so that's what I used. You can see I kind of put the no, that's a better view for that. I put the parts kind of on the outboard part of it was what was it, 3 1/4 inch material square. So I put these guys, positioned them on the outside so that I could get a tool in the middle here and cut it out. So let me show you, go back to isometric view here. So starting with just a one big piece of material. Let's see. Oh, it's not really going to show the material properly. Let's see if I can fix that real quick for you. Okay, now it should show it better. I think the stock was, it should be about 3 1/4 by 3 1/4 here. And of course the material was bigger than 1.5 inches. That was the final depth. I'm going to go ahead and set that to 1.750. And now you can kind of see the red lines. Shows you, kind of displays the material. Let's try this again. Gonna regenerate it real quick, and then I'll put it in animation for you. All right, there we go. And this is what it looks like. My material wasn't squared up for some reason, but you kind of get the idea of what's happened. And then so from there, so I did 4 pieces, and then from there I took it over to my horizontal saw, and I cut right through the middle here so that I would have 2 pieces to work with on my second op. And that was the second op was right here. I made that these 2 are the guys I worked on, and that's what the video that you looked at before shows me cutting that as the second op. All right, and so that's kind of what Mastercam looks like in a nutshell there. It's got a tree over to the left here with all the history of the different cuts that I made to do. The first one here is the first op, and then I have op 2 right here. Let's see if I can zoom in on that a little bit. And then I'm still working on op 3, but that's just going to be putting the bore in, the 0.874 and a half diameter bore that you guys are going to press fit the bearing into. And that's my last operation.